Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip with a sweet little move, the Cross Handed Catamill. It's actually in many ways easier than a normal Catamill, and frankly a Catamill's pretty easy anyway, so this is easy enough to be a beginner move but not one of the beginner moves. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Simple as that. So let's break it down. Easy way to start, left to right. As we go semicircle and back, we offer the other hand. So we're going back to a two-handed grip, but what we're going to do on the way back as a fella is we're going to let go with the left at the end of that maneuver, and we're going to take a little step to the left. Okay. The sweep coming in now feels like what you'd get in a catamill or a catapult. So we bring the lady forwards, hand low over to the right, lift it up. As the lady comes round, we stop the lady from turning too far. We head out to the front, the lady heads out to the back. You keep the right hand relatively low, you offer the left over the top. The ladies are taking hold, we head out of the way to the right, and this is literally just a travelling return. So we're bringing the lady forwards, turning to her left underneath that left hand, and guys step back in front at the end. So let's break that down with some numbers. It's semicircle back, switching which hand we're in and getting out of the way. 1. So that's kind of the busy part of the move. Sweeping the lady through, hand goes high. We're walking in side by side. 2. Into the lean and offer the left high while we keep the right low. 3. Bringing the lady back through the travelling return, getting out of her way. 4. Stepping away to face. 5. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, Cross Handed Catamill. We go offer, sweep, offer, return and look, and that is that. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. Thank you very much to everyone who likes, subscribes and hits the bell, because you'll know every time a new video comes out, and you'll be helping to promote the channel, which from our point of view is helping to promote dancing as well. So thank you very much for that. We'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.